Currency the crown and no pay the nose them. Waiting really they happen back. Currency the crown and no pay the nose them. Parliament you now don't receive. Currency the crown and no pay the nose them. Waiting really they happen back. Currency the crown and no pay the nose them. Parliament you now don't receive. See the happen.
Walla.
Now we had
Zoo.
Una pack game, but una no dey score.
Papi, you need for know what in our up.
How Papi dey know wetin I was up? Who Papi not skin understand?
Because no go really wale Papi pull tail.
Until that big give not tell you who Papi put ready for cut some.
Yeah. Anyway, things that they happen, but good things that they happen. Inside the Paulo Conte in case, there is some things that they come up with Justin. We get for do with the public prosecutor and the Attorney General. I hear Dr. Abdullahi O. Conte they talk say then two people that did not qualify for practice law inside Riyadh.
But always they tell you man they get game, but always when they say for can't play game now, and cooks them, they take time beats them.
No, but waiting the more me pa all of this thing here. Then people here where they raise concern now so, but then two people here to their qualification. There be no certain people here so as by law not qualify. Because when it comes to law, na salon, constitution wise, then Abdullahi O. Conte that now people away they get voice.
People and they look out.
Why they not been don't raise that concern they before this thing? You see this thing about salon people then? We not only we only they talk the same way this thing the money. But if you not the money, only the money other person, they're not concerned.
And then you get for no say this come up because them go facing with them people here.
Inside Paulo Conte in case, and so, they go team up against them.
The problem now, who knows the other people who don't qualify, we're still there inside, who don't know about it.
Not for this we come for a big. No waste we are idea. Now this we the talk. Where something then say no wait until that you never host one can done before you take water weapon for water. The time when you see fire or smoke don't begin, see how you cable for weapon because it's not to that day. They come to you next time. I don't happen so right now. Why not now then they talk? I beg ya. Let God make Paulo Conte not die no more by this tear so. I know what they pray God for. Not to that they come for. We get big thing them folk out for now today. One of them gets for do it. The Commission of Inquiry. You remember say the judge, one of the judge there.
What happened? The judge where we go count from Nigeria. Right? When a professional judge where we bring.
You don't say in computer the laws.
No, but wait. What's it concerning but we judge? Where we okay with? We not what happened?
We want to tell you what way to find out what the computer way laws. But before we die,
whose computer?
The computer way it use. Wait.
Okay, you remind me of another judge, but we don't do findings.
Yes. So this findings then we go and take this short break. When we come back, gist no. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we really do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program.
We are.
Where they for bring to una things them where some of una not know but we get the opportunity for know them and bring them to una for make una self know. If you not subscribe it, do ya press the button and subscribe. Continue for share our channel. You will be done day inside. You will just come inside, do the same thing, share our channel, always press the bell icon and give it thumbs up.
And to you, we always done the support we don't always watch with video, or you where they can one time for can watch with video, you will subscribe. We want to say thank you. We appreciate you now so much. God bless you. That is show say you ready for let we do more of them things there. So my name na Ali UCC as usual.
Me na Usman Justin.
Ha! $143 million. IMF don't give salon. You know that the
the last one we can inside. We will not talk about the first one. Will be
okay. Let's tell you now. You know how much debt we don't get. We don't get over 1.6.
Go yourself. I announce government. So what's happen?
Another issue inside the program today. Remember that young man we been sing for Soja team. Yeah.
Good day today.
We the struggle. I young man they don't sing for we back. He sing for we this time because of we young lion na the northern region Abu don't come back na office. Whoa,
he not just not to him come. They don't bring her come back.
And your business and they talk and do, talk and do. We dey talk and do.
Yes, he get for be talk and do. But people like this how they talk so. As you all be know, the resident minister not where they call Abu. The young man who been go na Makeni and threaten in people and say, if like when he cancel, he meet anybody, commode for make any protest or rally for anything, in a pass instruction for let them kill them people and they.
Let me listen to him.
I don't tell the brigade, I don't tell the AIG who they shoot anyone who kill them. Let mama left wear black.
You don't come up for that place, please.
You understand? They say no SLBB. Now the thing they take advantage. They say I know SLBB, they're lenient, they're not the kill and the bio. Me, I don't tell brigade, I don't tell the AI. That make I come where I listen out there. I spoke to God if I will meet right now. How for the better. Now make me say come. You understand? Eh? Because then you tell them, you have to think wise now for come better. You don't tell where people and they use you for that would go make nice. Go cost money cost. We don't pass that stage. 11 years some of you are not benefit nothing. Now when they sit down, then pick it all day abroad and they enjoy the money. Now where they go fetch for them? Would they kill you if now they will die? Or would they broke una foot and go sit down house? If you go away the worker, you not like land, you not like where the worker. You want to let them broke your foot, you go sit down house. Let your mama or you that the menu. And we any youth will misbehave. What don't fall like you? Who broke your foot? Who they fall like your mama or that you back?
And that too.
Well, now demand this and now this it's up. But to be sure again talk about this Abu issue. After where they don't suspend them, where we know say not for be active in any political something. Now at the same time, we see this Abu take a move, who say pull pass, who say not pull pass, where in there on suspension, in go go begin a shake hand with people them where we all know say we dey fight COVID-19 now we country. Shake hand, e no good. E no wear mask, e no wear glove, e dey go and shake hand na street. This same Abu, we be don't get rumor say e dey cancel, but who no believe. But now they don't bring her back. To me, your opinion, right? This don't tell we say some of them Maya where they go around and do bad. Now we on Papa, when are the president, now in they send them.
So the president, the caretaker, for me, don't display one sign say, not they stick by word. If they try for fight against indiscipline. But simple, he don't tell me now say the word where he talk, where he say then go come very hard on them terrorists them as alone. Now Abu try for do so because the word them in harsh. Now that make he been try for make Dryer come ashamed. Say okay, let's suspend them first. Let people they ask them cool. Let me see say you know man of your word. Yeah. After that they will give him back. Anyway, I lost confidence. No,
but
you
don't need for tire. You don't need for lost confidence. Okay, this don't just still the show we say. This present government, as they say, then they go after people them where they go against the law. No, this government they go after the opposition party when are only APC. Because if this government say, then they go after people them when they go against the law, Abu we don't go against the law, then we can't take out the president, we don't come out and talk and strong one say, if they go against people when they go against the law, we will say the action where it take towards Abu, if already stand firm in that particular action, because what did Abu do? Not to audio, now a video, right? He go and threaten people and say, well, you as a minister, you they kill your citizens then.
Then they just talk saying that the way, that the style in which he present her, but not to that name be mean. Anyway, whether you mean that name or mean that name, but I don't talk her. They don't suspend her, they don't done. And now we don't come back. Hey, every day, McKinney.
President Bio, you don't do well. Forgive the people's choice back to the northern region when are the residents.
No. Why you restrain yourself? No beg this song now you throat. Give the people the welcome song of we next issue.
We next issue.
You know.
You go sabi sing with me?
You don't know.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now we know wetin make the computer lost. Now we know wetin make the computer lost. Judge me your bed. Wetin you make the computer lost. Judge me your bed. Wetin you do when the computer lost.
Wait, you dey follow attack. I like you.
See the B. Now we are.
Wait, what's happened? I remember saying George Biobel, George Will, that Nigerian judge where they come with for the commission of inquiry. You remember saying computer be lost in team?
Of course. Everybody in a salon be no.
Now July 2019 I lost in team. The police them, CID, Criminal Investigation Department, been say then they investigate and Not the 1 year the council.
But I already tell you now, say when Salon Police tell you say we dey on investigation, as long as na investigation where then gets interest on nothing, no they come on under that investigation on better thing.
But if na political investigation for investigate Sylvia Blyden, where get
as long as the investigation get for do with the opposition na fast and sha. But I dey tell you now say for anything we get for do with the pauper government right now, police tell you say I dey investigate. You don't die. Nothing only come on.
Now we know wetin made the computer lost. Judge be your bed. Wetin you do when the computer lost? You want to tell me?
Me people them. Me fumble them. Me brothers and sisters, we mama and we papa then we yard Sierra Leone.
Wetin are the news?
Until now we all, everybody be know say the judge where the pauper government go hire from Nigeria for can look for the thief man there where they say we get na salon under the APC government when at the commission of inquiry Judge Biobel,
George Will.
Hey, me brother.
Tell me something. Tell me something. Yes, the
as I begin to tell now, until now be no say computer lost, and this computer also in loss because this will need for make una understand. security that be there.
Not to just security.
Not to just security.
This one and then
Mount Everest or any other thing.
Armed security.
Armed security
there. Then this judge in oath. Continue.
Then they now they one money no more grab. They say if man they don't enter now this house.
Waiting a thief.
Now computer. But that they no more than me. How you feel say well-armed man then as us when I compound they secure her.
Not to one, no.
Not to one, not to two. Done. Thief man can pass. He enter. They not broke it. They not broke the mouth. They go thief computer.
Impossible.
At the end of the day, we say the computer don't lost.
Yeah, sometimes they be sleep.
But you don't know what happen.
Yeah, tell me.
And let the security they run back go get na salon. Some of the police and the soldiers they know they kill them put them on the hand. As you want question the hand and say no. Yeah, no they enter there.
You dey make a straight for understand. Wetin happen?
Well, for let you understand because you be no say when this computer be lost, the security themselves they want sack them.
Because how comes them go dey in a place where they get gun and all thing? Thief man got thief computer.
Well, they don't know say they don't come up and tell me now say this thief, not to that kind of thief man no mean. This thief na special thief man I can thief the computer.
This Bobo fine boy. Wait, tell me more about this boy.
Before I dey reach there, Bio.
And my name, Biobel.
Biobel. Now he make the Allah say, salon sweet.
But wait, it been just the guy for talk no more. How the country sweet. When we then a court, you know, they with all style, they try for tell them say salon really sweet. We need for make am. Yes, I think say that the salon sweet.
Now you lie. How Biobel? No, the Allah say the country is sweet.
What's happen? I see you touch it something.
Me brother, now bust the boil pan.
Yeah, one smell and listen.
The computer where Biobel say now lost a loss.
No, you not say lost so then thief. You
believe say the bar now post way go bring her for can sweet in West that particular next day. Now you take the computer.
Tell me what? You mean when Poppy say salon sweet? Not only thing for it or the way how the atmosphere they
now the kind of free way they get to fine picking them.
How you do know this? Because okay, I hear somebody be tell me say they want sack the security there.
Now they the security they say no. This we not they go through this kind of this trip here.
And then they say Poppy how it's passing where they not book. They say how this young fine lady they not book am for say in a part of the visitor. So Poppy after baby don't make let Poppy enjoy serious one. Poppy tired and I don't sleep.
The problem Poppy he forget the computer first. He know say because the security tells you when he picking car he puts her gear one. So Poppy now they know that left the people he forget about the computer.
He just lock the computer and left out. Now when he pay picking do, and picking take computer outside I work Poppy good and Poppy don't tap. I take computer not a computer no more. He take money and other things then.
No, but the money no value. Because if Poppy be talk about the money, they not gonna take am serious. Now he make what he know say the computer. Now they everything they now that day he bring up say now he lost. But other plenty thing they lost there. Guests who side this computer go for them.
Who side?
From Poppy host to Belgium.
So you mean the security after they don't talk about this visitor they no book. Poppy get for show now, who side they go find picking. Picking go show say if you don't go sell this computer na Belgium.
Na Belgium picking go sell the computer.
So they don't go sell the computer now. Well, no wonder this investigation end.
Now there they tell you now so now they don't reach. Now it make you find out say from the day where CID and other people they say that they investigate. You ever hear but the computer and talk again?
Now we know it make the computer lost. Now we know it make the computer lost. Biobel, wetin you do when the computer lost? So for all the sweet,
change.
listen back, waiting Poppy say about Salo in sweet one.
Shows my love for this country. I've been here for 2 months, and I pray that Salone will be a place of joy and happiness and development and prosperity. Amen.
No, it's time, huh? Poppy don't. Then we just don't know waiting at the sweet way the guy for talk.
You know, Nike. Lord, forget about you.
Remember, we get there to 1.6 billion and over. We will come to that day later. Me multi crash for that day, but we get serious thing for talk about the country in future and waiting we don't go inside. But before that one day, let me go inside the airport as the Director General for Civil Aviation Authority, Moses Tifa Bao, been talk to Radio Democracy about whose time them plan for open the airport back. We flights will begin for the come and go. Let me listen now and quick. We get something for talk about them.
Famud can recall back from the 21st of March 2020, Sierra Leone to suspend or close its airspace to commercial international flights, with exception to humanitarian relief flights or flights for technical landings, that is for fueling or medical evacuations. So as we speak, for now the airspace still remains to be closed, and till the 21st of June, which is the official date for the expiration of the NOTAM.
Any plans as to whether government they rethink for actually open the airspace?
Yes, of course. We don't get some stakeholders engagement with the airlines. I don't get some international meetings with my colleague DGs in the West African sub-region. We look at the possibility of reopening our airspace.
Brussels recently pulled a press release. Inside that press release they say they will start the operation 17th July. When you think the government actually they think for work in line with Brussels and other airline them for let people begin travel?
First of all, let me clarify would understand certain things. The government of His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada being a responsive government, we believe in expert consultations. So at the moment we do expert consultations. For open airspace gets some limiting factors. For example, that way Brussels published a speculative schedule one day. The European Union says have not opened the airspace yet, and as of date we don't know when they go open. And most of the airlines when they operate in Sierra Leone, they don't do direct flights. Now 5th and 6th freedom more than they exploit. What did that mean? Then they pass through 1 or 2 more countries before they encounter Sierra Leone. So which means I like to open with airspace. If those other countries not open the airspace, Salone no plane no go Bukande. We are very mindful of the fact that if we open with airspace, there are 2 things we want for achieve. One, there is ease of movement by our traveling public. You know, go come to Salone and say you want to go somewhere for 1 or 2 days, then they go quarantine you for 14 days. Then secondly again, we are mindful of the public health concern, which is safety. We don't want to make again by opening the airport, then we can see a resurgence of coronavirus back in our country as a result of that. We want to make sure that if you arrive at that airport, where you have a health system that you will be tested within 24 hours and you have your results, so that 1, public safety is addressed, and 2, the passenger self inconvenience is being assured. Not just one for open horribly and then we have a backlash. When everything on we own side we are sure we don't put that in place, then we can definitely open the airport.
DJ, looking at the press release still where Brussels pull, where they make a very clear say from the 17th July to August 31st, then go begin operate, you know, at the country. Is it that this not realistic?
Well, I don't want to say not realistic. First, like I said, now speculative. Brussels indeed don't for them schedule. They don't apply for approval of the summer schedule for resume operations as against July, which that fall within even the government's own speculative time where they look at. July is the realistic time for who believe to say we can able for commence operations. So we are working towards that time. We believe that before the end of the month, all the necessary stakeholders engagement, we go down do them, and then all the necessary modalities in place, we go down put them in place. Then the government through the Ministry of Transport and Aviation will get back to the public as to when we go reopening the airport.
In a nutshell, is it that the public will actually expect, say, between June to July, the airspace go open?
The no-tamo issue for the closure of the airport will end on the 21st of June. So by that time, we must have reached a conclusion as to whether we extend the no-tam or we reopen the airport.
You see any possibility as an expert in the aviation sector for the government, if you advise the president, for actually reopen the airspace, for reopen now?
Yes, I want to say yes, there is that possibility there. There are discussions ongoing, even at the regional level. Probably we can start on a face-by-face basis. Maybe we're looking at the regional travels between West Africa and travels between West African countries. We can open our airspace to which is easier, because let's assume that at that time European Union not open the airspace yet, or America not open the airspace yet to visitors traveling from African nations to America. So that alone self can restrict movement even if we don't open. But for regional, yes, that discussions they go on. We try to get a unified date for open regional travels within West Africa and Africa. We are very much mindful of what they happen around our immediate environment, which is our global environment. Nigeria and Ghana don't open domestic operations, and neighboring to Winner Liberia, the president just pronounced they are opening their airports to international travel as against the 21st of June.
Una don't hear now this they say airports they can't open. But me people now airports they can't open.
Exactly so.
Schools them they can't open.
Exactly.
The time when we get one case, schools law, airport law. Now we on case there now double bomb every day. Another place they can't open.
Other side themselves they open, so I don't know for open.
Yeah, other side then they open because then they on count down.
Yeah. So we wait you answer an account up.
Who not count up with
but we stable. We stable, at least we better.
Who knows? Now, case they just they go. Like the way how they take loan. Now so case then they go. Like how they take loan. Now so case they go. Schools then they can't open. Waiting the government don't put in place for the school picking them where they can sit public examination.
They give them social distancing.
Social distancing.
They give them face mask.
Where we your government upon all the money we don't come inside for this corona, where they see other parts of the world, bus stop, tram stop, train stop, them public transport places. The government they provide face mask for people where they travel. As they can't them pack there, then they pull and give free.
We say for the provide them.
Provide them when the artist them launch them 1,000 and then if you don't get this face mask, then artists can be say that they arrest you, they convicted and not they left you. Now schools they can't open. We all know how the country day. We all know how picking and they cry. Some picking they not even get cold rest for each na money go to school. The way how we are there now. Who say you expect them for pull 1,000 for buy face mask? Waiting the government don't put in place before they can announce say schools they can't open and the airport they can't open. Waiting government don't put in place. Okay. As we corona they go up like the they take loan.
Let answer you. They school them with a supply face mask to the all, so the picking them with the get out, get their hand wash and
now whose newspaper will tell you that, or whose radio station where government don't sit down and talk that?
As the caretaker of Salona they tell you now with authority. And for the airport they make sure say we go emergency test because person not go they come for pass. You get 3 days program for go attend, you can't keep them for 14 days for quarantine. So we give the emergency testing and they'll forget about that.
This not to salute yesterday.
If not lie, may we check out the history. Good. But wait, so this emergency testing, not only they refuse, then quit people it.
May I not guarantee yourself. Because at the same thing, when they don't do to people who come up quit, at the end of the day, na allow and incommodate. So who knows what they happen back where the airport they can open?
Nothing, but say we just want to do waiting the other people and they do in other parts of the world. Where they lock, we lock. Where they open, we open. Period. Nothing happen.
That reminds me. We they do waiting other people and they do. Indeed. Now I may always say they see how they shout. For more get independent, we still depend because we had we know they sit down and think we do something on we own.
No.
If not to order people they do am.
No.
And they come.
No.
And they come.
I know they. Let me tell you this, say, even the corona, 70% of waiting with the spend now the government money.
You dey craze?
You are Mr. The lie. JJ Safa, now lie the lie.
Government is the single largest financier of the current COVID fight. Donor partner resources cannot be compared to government. About 70% of the expenditure the government undertaken. Right from preparedness stage, quarantine homes, incentives, this, contact tracing, every other thing, EOC operation, vehicles, all that is the government.
you a comedian.
Me or JJ? JJ say that nothing JJ say. 70%. So, what do you want to tell me now? Anyway, not to that day. Family. Salon today. Now we own. Oh, I say now we own. Yeah, we must better. Yeah. Food na the table, oh. We must make all man get food na the table. But wait, oh, you remember what JJ Safa been saying? Same JJ. Today I dey with the finance minister. We like him. Now my best buddy. Remember what he say? The time where campaign be go on.
Of course,
he
yes.
Say where the power government will come and they make sure say every Sierra Leonean get food na the table. But still we see say Skanganes they go on. Hey, diplomatically, let me hear you waiting JJ Safa say concerning waiting be the talk for the campaign when they come back gist now.
Until the last Sierra Leonean go to bed, not go to bed hungry. I mean, it's going to be difficult. We start an easy situation, even after my time. Even 3-4 finance ministers coming after me, no, they don't meet up the bread and butter. She's going to be with us for some time to come. Poverty has been with us for some time. Poverty is still here. Poverty will continue.
So
we determine as a government, as I be say, to reduce the poverty.
So you don't agree now say the realities and different from waiting person they see. Of
course, I'm always conscious of that. And I never said they can't eliminate poverty. I said they reduce poverty.
All right. So misinterpretation I just note and down bread and butter will be the top campaign term. What do you mean when you say bread and butter? Because from what you don't tell me this morning that when you increase teachers' salary, give more work to people, then a bread and butter you don't put for them. But from the ordinary man, your definition of bread and butter are different. So in that you campaign, what do you mean by bread and butter? We make like you give more work to people. The citizens not think say bread and butter they're not the table.
The livelihood, when man not get something for it, you not get bread and butter. No matter amount of economics you need to understand. No, they are really it's pathetic. It's understandable. But when the day it happen for that man today, be able to get small tea where they eat. That is not the happiest man, the bread and butter don't they? But what we are really as a government you care about, you want people to get predictable source of livelihood. You want people to determine, your next meal should not be by chance. You don't even know when next you get me.
Innocent. See me downfall. You have one for make us stand tall. You want for pull me around, like saying a downfall. If you need destiny, you want for jam on. Whitey black hat, charlotte, then they can cut. They don't carry them by that. Some of them whitey black hat, charlotte. Salad, they don't carry them by that. But not only passion, sickness, not only passion, poverty, not only passion, not only passion, not only passion. We are not only passion, Sabbath, not only passion, drug, not only passion, not only passion, not only passion. We are not only passion, they know what make I go before. They know what make I go before. They want make her go below. They don't want to see where you they grow. But then go reap waiting and sow. Some of them are white teeth, black cats. Charlotte, anyways, my drop the tune. Never make her go below. Never make her go to the passion. To the passion. We are not to the passion. Never make her go before. Never make her go below. Then I want to see where you dey grow. But I go repointing and so some of them are whitey placards, Charlotte, Ludenica clads. They don't carry them by that. Some of them are whitey placards, Charlotte, Subri salads. They don't carry them by that. But not to be passion, sickness, not to be passion, poverty, not to be passion, not to be passion, not to be passion. We are not to be passion, one sabbath, not to be passion, drop, not to be passion, not to be passion, not to be passion. We are not to be passion, and they laugh before the fence. But you they told me and me back. You just they show me you hide it, but deep inside you hide it black. Tell me why you did envy me? 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 When I God gave me destiny, why you did envy me? 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 Why not tell me passion? Sickness, not tell me passion. Poverty, not tell me passion. Not tell me passion. Not tell me passion. Why not tell me passion? One sabbath, not tell me passion.
Well, JJ Safa, innocent don't answer you already by this music. Poverty, hunger, kill, not to be portion. You know, we can laugh, but really it's painful. Una ki shikawi or shinkawi, I don't know. One of the two. When una they come for can convince we the people of Sierra Leone for votes for una get the terms them and the fake promise them where una they get to we the people of Sierra Leone.
I don't think saying a fake promise.
But a fake promise.
And just that JJ Safa don't talk back say where they can do in opposition, where you do in opposition, where you the see and where you can sign up the different. So it simply means say where you didn't have power, the loan you get a pass. Now, like when you play ball.
But you not think about that before. You come and you bomb talk them.
You understand? Where football match they play, it's the Lions and Blackpool, it's the Lions and Blackpool, where they play. You go watch the game. As far as you concern, you only team winning, see?
Of course.
So the player them, they say for win, but it's not easy. But for you now, it is vex. Una make them beat you now. It's not fine. If una maybe they inside there, so I for don't win, and they happen so now.
That reminds me back. Politicians then they lie, right? But some of them, God can cut inside there and they talk the truth. You remember what Samuel Kamara been talk? He said for run a country, it's not easy. Let them people not counting up by the presidential debate. They talk the way they not going to do tomorrow, and we don't see it today. JJ Safa tell about bread and butter. But for where talk about the food now the table, I don't know from where they can if now the table in food now in link, any food where they put it away, but people are not receiving it. Now just from the frying pot to the fire, the way how people they grumble in a salon, it not ever happened before. So let them people there for the life power. Instead, una come and tell the people them vote for we. Well, una vote for we. Waiting God Mark say we they do rather than for they can give fake promises.
I think if the thing the triangle na salon not to salon no more. Now the world global.
Waiting a global.
You not remember what woman want where say let people and put their phone they all off. They say because the world global then they do something on phone there. So I think say now the world global. Anyway, then thing they are in Boku. We deal with JJ Safa today. I think JJ Safa now you we deal with today. Other thing they happen over.
Tell me what.
We government, the way how the international community let we They like we they just dey give we money 50 fatter. Right, sir, we get money woo. We get money new direction. We get money woo tete.
You dey boast. The government, the way international community like we. We government, the way we dey dig hole for Sierra Leone.
No. Now money in the enemy give we. They not be left follow at all. No, not true.
Koni blow.
Not true. Then where to get money?
Hey, the people when you get financial difficulty, now only creditor, now in the can near you, even pass you paddy or your brother. Meaning, when you there na that stage day, now only person they can't trust you, and you get for pay, now in no more go can near you.
Well, for trust, not to in the thing. Now where the term reach for pay, you no get them. Then you dey hide. You just go meet up the way you get for pay. That pain the way they feel. It's not easy. But that is not important. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I want for Leona listen. So JJ Safa again on 98.1 as he explained about some of the money them where they don't trust.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, first of all, the IMF support, you will qualify for an Ibodo on IMF program. That's the first instance. So if that be 2017, October, we will not be part of the IMF program. We will not forget this money. Because we are not part of the IMF program. And to not to be part of the IMF program, meaning you are economic and financial, you're not financially disciplined. Because in discipline, they make you go out of the program. Because with discipline, we are part of the program, the first qualification. And the second qualification, the program for the on track. In the sense, they meet all the benchmarks, both quantitative, both qualitative, all the benchmarks, they're on schedule. And Salon, they're on schedule. Now that make, at the beginning of the fight, they got one window where they call Catastrophic Containment Relief Trust. 25 countries in the world, including Nepal, Sierra Leone, we are qualified for it. That are a tentative debt relief with Giri, where that give a space of $29 million. I mean, instead of paying the IMF will not pay with it. But they use that money for take care of your needs. So the payment schedule for IMF, monthly payment schedule, when they pay, they will keep the money and we use it. Then later on, IMF open another window, what they call the rapid credit facility. When I talk about. After months, weeks of engagement with them from my economic team, the central bank, the NRA, the Ministry of Finance officers, constant engagement with them, IMF decide for giving a highly concessional credit facility of 143. I mean, which probably they might, over time, I know they're going to wipe it out, they cancel it because there's a global call for debt cancellation. In addition to that, it may please you that Islamic Development Bank, I had a direct engagement with the president of the Islamic Development Bank, and we don't grant me an amount of $25 million. For that $25 million, $10 million will be for the health response, and the $15 million will be for the economic response. That is already done. We don't start for process accessing that resources. Then we get also another budgetary support for the energy sector of $25 million, which has been negotiated. It's going to the board in July. By July, we hit that. So that's what I'm saying. So $25 million for my energy is confirmed. Then we get the World Bank big cake within the pipeline, which has really been in the pipeline before now. That is also it's about $100 million. If they come, this is not to go come business for sale with the plan for long. We've already moved very hard, even the difficult circumstances, and the negotiations don't go on. They go to the board formally. In addition to that, the EU also don't bring some of the support to Salon. We see whether for in November, you don't bring $10 million before. So in a nutshell, we don't mobilize fairly adequate resources. Not necessarily adequate to solve all the problems in the world, but adequate to make us comfortable, to put our budget on track, to make sure we implement our priority programs.
So this latest one we come out from IMF about a week ago, we had the $143 million. Why in $143 million Salon asked for? We talk about debts. This current administration, where they meeting at the other side of the coin. One thing we on a bit front out get for do with getting debt for the country. Why Salon asked for $143 million debt compared to Liberia, for example, when a $50 million then go for? Why $143 million?
Well, the capacity to pay back. Now they tell me how much they get. If you look at the staff report, first of all, the IMF staff report, one of the assessment they give, an assessment of the country capacity for payback is that, which means your economic management is pleased. I mean, they are pleased with your economic management. They call it access and capacity to repay. The IMF, not the global economic umpire, not the world. If they no see able pay there, they need you. In fact, they come. If they no see able pay there, they need to give you. Then they even discourage you from taking other debt. That make they always say, if I would have had more, if we not be able to debts.
Wow. Yes, we get money. We get
wow.
money.
Really?
Yes.
So JJ Safa, I dey ask you this question now. How much debt where Salone don't get? You understand what I talk? How much debt where Salone don't take for these past 2 years? Oh, Nadina Power. 2 years. Not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 2. 1, 2. How many debt where Salone don't take?
I said that debt's about 1.6 billion. 1.625 billion, about that. In a dynamic figure, in a chance, in the way they take more, in the payback, because every month we pay that, we service our debt.
So this latest one where IMF don't give, how long did it run for?
Now, this is going to run for over 10, 15 years. We are fine with that. The interest is highly concessional.
You know your year, alright, not a problem. And that debt we get, but we pay them. Yeah, we pay them, not get any problem with that.
How long? How long?
But I want to tell you something. Inside the book, the Bible, yeah, inside Proverbs 22:7, it say the rich they rule the poor, and you when they lend or you when they borrow, they turn slave to who that they lend you.
Of course.
Wait, you are waiting at talking. You when they lend money or you when they trust, you they turn slave to the one where they lend.
But what did you expect?
I don't know. Let me listen. Gigi Snow, IMF don't approve $143 million for Salone for fighting coronavirus. Amidst even where they don't give debt relief of 20 million. What I mean by debt relief? They don't suspend 120 million for pay. Then say okay, in the next 6 months we no will pay. Let we use that day for able for settle problem we get for those corona. But that no means only pay. Lord, listen quick. 98.1 been talk to the IMF rep when Monique and Doha. Let we listen. Waiting even get for say and link onto this parable argue so say you wait trust they become slave so the one really trust you. Will they come back just now?
Absolutely. So broadly we are involved in 3 main areas, and you probably know best about the financing aspect, but there's more to it. First of all, there's a very open analytical and policy dialogue with the government of Sierra Leone. For example, we exchange with the Bank of Sierra Leone on monetary policy and financial sector issues, and then we talk to the National Revenue Authority on taxes, of course, and with the Ministry of Finance on public financial management. So these are just a couple of examples. So we've even done a joint paper on the benefits of investing in education, in particular for girls. So this is the policy and analytical area. Then, secondly, the IMF also offers technical assistance to its member countries. And for Sierra Leone, for instance, this is when experts from, for example, Statistics Sierra Leone will be working very closely with our technical experts on things like the consumer price index, or when our colleagues will be talking to the NRA about tax compliance. But thirdly, and this is, I think, the reason why I'm here today talking to you, is the financial support to the government and to the Bank of Sierra Leone.
Okay, laying the premise of the interview is the financial support. Let's make it clear, is it a loan or grant?
You're very right. So 2 days ago, our executive board has approved $143 million. It depends a little bit on which exchange rate you're using, but it's about $143 million to support Sierra Leone in its response to COVID-19. You're right to say it is a loan, but let me add that it is a loan that what we call on very concessional terms. So it would be cheaper than if the government went and got the same loan at the market. So, for instance, it would be on 0% interest rate.
Okay, of weeks or months ago, we saw a debt relief from IMF to Sierra Leone, $20 million. Now you are giving $143 million loan to a country that you gave a debt relief on. So how can you explain that?
I mean, it's as you see globally, the COVID-19 pandemic has hit, and we get requests from a lot of member countries, and Sierra Leone is one of them, for emergency financing. So right now, and this is really a historic moment, more than 100 of our member countries have come to the International Monetary Fund to ask for financial assistance. And as of today, we have approved financing for 66 countries. So just to give you a sense of the magnitude of the global problem. When one of these instruments was designed for countries at lower income levels, and this is what you just talked about the debt relief, and this was done under the IMF's Catastrophe Containment and Relief Trust. What that allowed is to provide immediate debt service relief to 27 countries, and among them Sierra Leone. So what it is going to do is to suspend basically the debt service in the first instance for the next 6 months, and it was around $18 million. And then once the trust is filled, and there's a strong appeal going on for countries to fill the trust, then for the next 24 months there would be debt relief, and this could amount to almost $80 million in the case of Sierra Leone. So this was a way to say that we want to make a contribution to support countries in difficult times and not burden them with repayment of debt to the IMF at this critical time.
Yes, now you don't talk so. I think neither to with the lack we meet all the criteria for letting them trust we.
And soon I don't hear IMF don't talk here. Say then they advise we. Where I say we, not so we should have the talk. The country, Salon, then they advise we in different things them. How for spend, how not for spend. NRA and other places them.
Bank of Salon, Ministry of Finance, public expenditure, and all.
On the public expenditure. Now them they advise we. And you get from members say, like when we bother pull the parable, either they trust you, it gets control over you. With this kind of advice, if we not listen and not Salon, it get repercussion. Because if you not take that tomorrow, if you can't have a cancer, me brother, not you know the come.
Lagunas, quick something. In the last government, the international donor has to be advised, say, let the government cut down the subsidy for rest, cut down the subsidy for fear. What do I mean? Yeah. That money where government can pay for let rest not there, for let fear not there, you know, for let go and bug with the ordinary people where they go buy in a market. Then people there say the government not for put some money there. It means say everything now we say for able for pay for ourselves with the people where they go for where we say the end users. Now we for pay for everything. Now the last government will say no, they not agree to that, and they say okay, we are not ready it. And then cuts, then support in their area that they. You are not taking. Now in the costness. Now they say, well, we are not ready. Since we are not ready, we need to give our money again. So it happens like this. Now we don't get plenty debt. Over $1.625 billion what we don't trust. What we get for pay. So if tomorrow they tell we say do this, if we not do one as a government, then they cut down the spending, then they will press power. So you see what we say, what the Bible talk, the Bible not lie. The Bible say the rich man they rule the poor man. And you where they trust, you return slave to the one where they trust you. You think I lie? Proverbs 22:7. Go watch inside your Bible. Yeah, any of the version in that, and you get different word but not the same meaning.
Well, now it make them they tell you say anything where you man they do, you get for take your time. Where you they talk, you get for take your time. Because on talk there, where you don't send them to somebody, if you not take them, and they come back to you.
This make us go to this other parable where say, if you make too much promise, you dey end up per debt. Because you promise plenty, the means say you get for end up for go per debt for satisfy or for fulfill that you promise them. And now the bad part of this, the debt where this government they take, not to them if you camp and camp, sometimes they take 10 years. You know, this debt some of them get for go take 15 years. You know, not to them get for pay all. Now we country and every month the government get for the pay. Why we not able for raise money? Because the government will say they not like where the other government, the last government be the trust. Instead, they will find way out and go able for raise money inside the country and avoid the
big talk.
Well,
a big talk and bomb talk.
So you don't want to talk with the military, say big talk, no say
master opponent. But what you don't see? For the past 2 years, not trust, violence, prison, jail, courts, all kind. Nobody no more don't see. Although we talk the truth, they mark your face for go cheap and then by road, but we get for talk. We need changes. We really need another Moses.
Anyway,
God save we in a saloon. Bring another Moses.
Send another Moses, Lord.
But this is not sweet.
Send another Moses, Lord.
Every day things they go from bad to worst.
Send another Moses, Lord.
We not even know which side we they go.
Send another Moses, Lord.
Hey, sweet Mama Salome.
Oh, send another Moses.
Sweet country.
Oh, yeah. Anyway,
sorry,
I'm sitting a crab, man. Anyway, we don't come to the end of the show. Thank you for you don't take your time and watch the rest of the program. We get other programs that we don't do. You can go inside we add playlist and then you can watch other videos them what we don't do. Let your comments there and like if you really do. And this one, if you like and you like the issues that we don't discuss, leave your comments below and then you give it thumbs up, yeah. And please, let's tell you this: when you subscribe, if you want to get a notification, you know, make sure that you turn on the notification bell with the word all. And we want for gladly and happily tell you say we go to bring the program now to you on Saturday, every Saturday and every Wednesday. Not to the same edition, no, every edition. So 9 o'clock salon time, 9 p.m. 2100 hours. When are salon time, now the cow time, yeah? So if you did any parts of the world now, you could just say, okay, my family work in Colland, they can say 9 o'clock to them, so we are now so time. So you just get for work that matter now and no almost o'clock you will come and join me. But please make sure say you join me, you know, where we the premiere we show, so you go there part of the live chat where we all do, yeah? I think say now that's all. Quarantine home. Money dey it's all get money. Justin, we need for go.
Well, the people until now how long you what you say, waiting come up from them, now you can't tell you now. But the side when we get interest, do ya? They say they can open airports. Then they can bring emergency tests. Not to show them call because then they get them big terms then. I just they pray for me people and they alone be careful. Let the emergency test not can give corona. Because alone we know say we get people away fever they attack. Malaria. Let this emergency test not come you way.
No,
they meet you
fever right now one body no
they can go with you.
Anything
because for corona come. Natural sick no they get no any sick now is sick young. Na corona. You die now by pain no young.
No, after the corona, we make sure so we pack them. Who's one die by corona, who's one not die by corona.
Okay, not a problem. But I get interest. I dey pray for the people that God save una from this emergency test.
I mean, amen.
Where we are, they can begin to. Now, how they end the program, we begin out song. We will still have una back with the same song for remind una, but we not seize them. We quarantine home them. waiting and they go through. But all the good money there, where will they get from international community? The debts there now, the donation there now, still quarantine home they cry. Still, they're not they pay the nurse them.
Then they pay them, and some people have not been paid. Annually you use that word. The government be very proactive.
Okay, the bank they get problems, so therefore we give it by table.
By table. No, that they not the one they not the part of the. Will not be make agreement to the make we go pay that.
Salon new direction.
Anyway, my name na Ali Cissé.
And me na Usman Justin.
Quarantine home they cry una no pay the nurse them.
Waiting they happen back quarantine home they cry una no pay the nurse them. All the money we don't receive quarantine home they cry una no pay the nurse them. Waiting really they happen back quarantine home they cry una no pay the nurse them. All the big debt una don't go take.
Big debt so much for the money. Ladies and gentlemen, bye bye. We love you, eh? God bless you all. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. So the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Yes, we don reach 400 subscribers then. But according to wetin people and they say, this number still small. We appreciate them. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside these 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.